Best luxury small car for 2025 to 2024 Volvo S60. As 2025 draws near, the 2024 Volvo S60 has been named the best luxury small car of the year. This recognition highlights the S60's exceptional blend of Scandinavian design, advanced technology, and refined performance, making it a standout in the luxury compact segment. Elegant design and premium interior. The 2024 Volvo S60 impresses with its sophisticated and understated design. Its sleek lines, bold front grille, and distinctive LED headlights contribute to a refined yet dynamic appearance. The S60's streamlined profile and elegant details embody the essence of Scandinavian luxury. Inside, the S60 offers a cabin that exudes quality and comfort. Premium materials, such as high-grade leather upholstery and wood or metal accents, create an inviting and upscale environment. The front seats are ergonomically designed for comfort and support, featuring multiple adjustments and available heating and cooling functions. The rear seats provide ample space for passengers, ensuring a comfortable ride for everyone. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2024 S60 is equipped with a suite of advanced technology features designed to enhance convenience and connectivity. The centerpiece is a 9.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system, which supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The system's intuitive interface provides easy access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. Additional tech features include a customizable 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, offering essential driving information at a glance. The S60 also offers an available Bowers & Wilkins premium audio system, delivering a superior listening experience. Performance and handling. The S60 delivers a balanced driving experience with its range of engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine producing 250 horsepower and 258 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more performance, the T8 Recharge plug-in hybrid variant combines a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine with an electric motor to produce a combined 400 horsepower and 472 lb-ft of torque. Both powertrains are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive acceleration. The S60's front-wheel drive layout, along with its refined suspension, ensures a comfortable and engaging driving experience. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a priority in the 2024 S60, which includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard technologies include adaptive cruise control, forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist, all contributing to a safer driving experience. Conclusion. The 2024 Volvo S60 stands out as the best luxury small car for 2025, offering a compelling combination of elegant design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. Its luxurious interior, cutting-edge features, and balanced driving dynamics make it an excellent choice for luxury compact car enthusiasts.